Hi, I'm Jamie from the Real Estate Inspection Company with another Maintenance Minute. Today we're going to talk about maintaining and adjusting your garage door opener. So there are two adjustments on a typical garage door opener. You have the force adjustment and a travel adjustment. The force adjustment will determine how much pressure is needed to reverse the door should it contact a car or person. The travel adjustment will determine how far down the garage door goes when it closes or how far open the garage door will remain once opened. During a home inspection, we check both of these settings, your force adjustment and your travel. Today, we're going to talk about how to adjust them. To adjust the force, you need a flat tip screwdriver. There are two settings on the back of most garage door openers. You have your up force and your down force. Turning the screw clockwise will increase the pressure needed to reverse the door. Turning the screw counterclockwise will reduce the pressure needed to reverse the door. Let me demonstrate how we check the force adjustment at a home inspection. To check that the garage door force setting is correct, you'll want to close the garage door and with two hands apply pressure to the bottom of the garage door. This shouldn't require excessive force. If it does, this means that the force setting needs to be reduced. So it helps if you have the remote handy to close the garage door. We're going to demonstrate a garage door that is improperly set and requires too much force to stop the door. So I should be able to back this up fairly easily, and you can see that it doesn't reverse when I apply considerable amount of force to the door. So we're going to go back to the opener and show you how to adjust this. So with a screwdriver, we're going to reduce the downward force. This can be done by turning the screw with the down arrow in the counterclockwise position. Now that we've adjusted the force, we're going to test that the door reverses properly. And now it reverses with about 15 pounds of pressure. So there are two travel adjustments on your garage door opener. You have upward travel and downward travel. If you have a large SUV or a large truck that requires more clearance to pull your vehicle in, you can adjust the upward travel by turning the top screw clockwise. This will give you more clearance pulling in when the garage door opener is in the full open position. So we'll turn the screw clockwise or towards the plus sign to increase the opening travel. Now that we've adjusted the upward travel, we can see that the garage door opens further to give us more clearance to pull in larger vehicles. Now we're going to talk about the photo eye sensor. This is at the bottom of the garage door opener. Any garage door opener manufactured after 1993 will have a built-in photo eye sensor. If your garage door doesn't have these sensors, we recommend upgrading it for safety. Now the photo eye sensor is in place to protect children and pets. The sensor should be mounted no more than 6 inches off the ground. An easy way to test the sensor is to simply close the garage door and break the path of the photo eye sensor beam. We can see that the photo eye sensor is working properly. Two other important safety features of your garage door are the lights and the emergency release. It's important to maintain your lighting for safety. The emergency release is in place in the event of a power outage. You can open the garage door. The emergency release should be red in color, should have a handle, and it should be no more than 6 feet off the ground. Another important part of maintaining your garage door is lubrication. If you have a squeaky garage door, it may need to be lubricated. You'll want to start with a non-silicone based garage door lube. The lubricant goes in the hinges, the rollers, and the bearings. When applying the lubricant, you want to be sure not to spray into the track or on the nylon rollers. Also, you want to check your garage door springs. Occasionally they may break. If your garage door spring is broken, you want to call a qualified garage door technician. If you have any questions about maintaining your home, feel free to contact us. And also be sure to subscribe to our Maintenance Minute channel. We'll see you next time.